My name is Zelda Stein, and this is Greenfinch and Linnetbird from Sweeney Todd. Ringtone and Robin Hood, is it for wages, singing to be sold? Have you decided it's safer in cages, singing when you're told? My cage has many rooms, damask and dark, nothing there sees, not even my lark. Larks never will you know when they're captive, teach me to be more adaptive. Oh, Greenfinch and Linnetbird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to sing. If I cannot